Good morning, friends. Today is April the 30th, 2020, and we're going to go ahead and get started with our drill sound warm-up foundations. Before we get started, I just want you to know, so today we have, I think it's 3 videos today. So we have drill sound warm-up, then we have our decoding, and we're decoding 6 words today. And then we have our trick words. We're learning 2 new trick words today. I know you're like, Mr. Boyce, you gave us new trick words earlier this week. It's okay. Guess what? Because they're already words that you're probably already reading. So we're just going to add them to the list, okay? And then you'll have an activity for your decoding and for your trick words. All right? So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with our vowels. Let's go. I, itch, it. And remember, the long I makes the I sound. E, ed, eh. Good. And remember, the long E makes the E sound. U, up, Remember, the long U makes the U sound. O, octopus, ah. And remember, the long O makes the O sound. And last but not least, A, apple, A. And remember, the long A makes the A sound. Good. We went over that yesterday, so I just wanted to keep them together so we can review those sounds. All right, let's go ahead and get started with our consonants. B, bat, B. Q, queen, Qu. P, pan, C, cat, K. F, fun, That's right. D, dog, D. L, lamp, ooh. Good job. Z, zebra, Z. J, jug, J. G, game, G. X, fox, X. S, snake, R, rat. Oh, good job, friend. Y, yellow, Y. Good job. T, top, T. Great job, friend. M, man, M. Good job. N, nut, N. Great, great. H, hat, W, wind, W. My bad. K, kite, K. V, van, V. Great work. Diagraph time. SH, ship, sh. Good job. CK, sock, CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb. WH, wind, W. Good job, friends. So you're going to click on the next video. When you come back for the next video, make sure you have your pencil and your paper, and then we're going to get started with our decoding.